Finding a reliable, free tool to handle PDFs can be frustrating. Most platforms come with hidden fees or limited functionality. Enter Sejda, your 100% free solution for all things PDF. Whether it's editing, merging, or compressing PDFs, Sejda makes it simple and efficient. Stay tuned as I dive into how this incredible platform can transform the way you manage PDFs, hassle-free. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. Go to Google and search for Sejda, then press Enter and click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Sejda. Sejda will help us make our PDF tasks easy, pleasant, and productive. As a PDF editor, we can edit PDF documents with Sejda. It's totally free and offers more than 30 PDF tools. Some of the most popular tools are PDF Editor. With this tool, we can edit PDF files for free, add text, links, images, and shapes. Compress. To reduce the size of a PDF, delete pages. To remove pages from a PDF document. Merge. To combine multiple PDFs and images into one. Separate. To split a document. Crop. To trim a document. How to convert a PDF to Word. Open your document with the PDF to Word converter, click Convert, and download the Word document. Now go to the top and click on PDF Editor. We can edit PDFs online for free. Click on Upload PDF File from your computer system, select a PDF file, and then click Open. Here is our PDF file. Now, click on the document to add text. For demo purposes, I will write Guru Tech Solution. After that, we can change the font style. Click on Font to see different types of fonts and select one according to your needs. We can also move the text box to adjust it as needed. Additionally, we can change the font color by clicking Color and choosing a color. Wow! Using the PDF editor, we can easily edit PDFs. After making changes, click on Apply Changes. Your task is processing. Please wait patiently as it takes time to process. Here is our changed PDF document. Now, to download it, click Download. After the download is complete, click and open the PDF file. Wow! You can see we have successfully edited text using Sejda. It looks great. Adding a signature to a PDF, click on Fill and Sign. Here we can add a signature to the PDF or fill out a PDF form. Click on Upload PDF File, and you'll see the PDF file. We can see options for text, form, signature, and undo. I'll click Signature, then New Signature. Here we can type text, draw a signature, upload an image, or use a camera. For demo purposes, I'll use text. I'll type Guru Text Solution and select a signature font according to my needs. After selecting, click on the screen to add the signature. Here, our signature is added. We can adjust the size as needed. After that, click Apply Changes. Now our document is ready, and we can see the signature was added successfully. Download the PDF document by clicking Download, then select a folder. Once the download is complete, open the PDF file. Wow! Using Sejda, we can add signatures easily. Converting PDF to Word. To convert a PDF to Word, click on PDF to Word. After that, click on Upload PDF File, select a file, and then click Open. Here, we can choose one option. Keep Layout or Optimize for legibility. I'll select Optimize for legibility and press Continue. Wait for a while. It takes time to process. Once processing is complete, click Download to download the Word file. After downloading, click and open the Word file. Boom! Here is our final result. We successfully converted a PDF file into a Word document with Sejda. In the Word file, I'll select the title and change its color, reducing the size of a PDF document. To reduce the size of a PDF, click on Compress. Now, upload a PDF file by selecting one according to your needs and pressing Open. Then, click on Compress PDF. Wait patiently as it takes time. Once the file is compressed, click Download to download the compressed PDF file. After downloading, open the compressed file. Wow, amazing! Using Sejda, we can edit PDFs, compress files, separate pages, crop documents, and much more. Sejda is totally free. Try out Sejda for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used these fantastic tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.